In this example, we'll calculate the hypotenuse of a right triangle using Python. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Import the math library. We import the math library because it includes the square root function, which lets us calculate the square root easily. Step 2. Take input values from the user. We use the input function to get two numbers from the keyboard. The user will type the lengths of both sides. But remember, input always returns a string, so we wrap it inside the integer function to convert it into an integer. Step 3. Apply the Pythagorean theorem. According to the Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse is the square root of side 1 squared plus side 2 squared. We use the square root function from the math library to calculate the square root, and side 1 squared means side 1 to the power of 2, while side 2 squared means side 2 to the power of 2. Step 4. Print the result in two different ways. First method is to print the result by separating text and variables with commas. Second method is called fstring. It lets us insert variable values directly inside curly braces. We also use integer function here to display the hypotenuse as a whole number. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.